So hello and namaste lovely people and welcome back to my channel. So for all those who are new to this channel, hi, my name is Shruti and you are watching Glow by Shruti. So आज की वीडियो में I am trying to create a very कम मेकअप के साथ a very no makeup look type look, and since as you can see my skin isn't behaving properly since last 20 days. I had major acne issues due to which मैंने कोई भी वीडियो भी नहीं बनाई थी. I wasn't applying makeup at all as suggested by my doctor. So now it is 50% better. तो अब better हो गया. So I have to go out somewhere and I am trying to create a no makeup look. So why not a video on this, and let's share some great hacks with you people. So stay tuned and let's get into this video and let's show what I have for you people. So first is obviously your CTM routine. बिना CTM के you cannot start your makeup at all, and I would suggest you guys that कुछ भी हो जाए, do not miss on your CTM routine. So I have cleansed my face with this face wash, and I am not recommending this face wash at all. It is a clinical face wash and recommended by a doctor. So just to show you guys that I've washed my face with this one. So do not apply or use it or purchase it until or unless it has not been advised to you. So guys, next comes the toner. So since I am having a very bad skin these days, so मैं कुछ भी बाहर के toners या कुछ भी ऐसा use करना avoid कर रही हूँ. So I have this homemade toner and I मतलब safe रहने के लिए I'm using this only on my face. A good amount of toner I have applied, and I'll wait for this to dry and get into my skin so that the pores will get clogged and product जो है वो skin के अंदर इतना नहीं जाएगा and skin इतनी harm नहीं होगी. So just wait for it to get into your skin. Guys, the next step is moisturizer or sunscreen. So I'll give this advice. Even if you are skipping on your moisturizer, do not skip on your sunscreen. It is the most important thing for your face and your skin. So here you can use any sunscreen you want. Here I'm using this UV Doc silicone sunscreen gel, which is again recommended by my doctor only. And make sure कि sunscreen you apply at least 30 to 35 or 40 minutes before you are stepping out. So just massage it properly into your skin and be very gentle with your skin. Next step is again your primer. So I am being very particular about the pre-steps of the makeup. मैं हमेशा अपनी वीडियोस में मेंशन ये चीज़ ज़रूर करती हूँ कि मेकअप का जो मेकअप का प्रोसेस होता है, इट वोंट बी दैट सक्सेसफुल अंटिल अनलेस आपके जो प्री स्टेप्स हैं वो उतने स्ट्रॉन्ग या उतने करेक्ट और इतने अच्छे ना हो. तो प्री स्टेप्स को प्लीज़ ध्यान में रखना है कि यू डू नॉट हैव टू मिस ऑन योर प्री स्टेप्स. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि मेकअप से पहले जो आप अप्लाई कर रहे हैं जो स्टेप्स हैं दैट हैज़ टू बी ऑन पॉइंट, सो दैट आप मेकअप करें तो रिजल्ट उतना ही अच्छा है जितना यू पीपल आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. सो नाउ आई हैव अप्लाइड दिस प्राइमर ऑन माई फेस. So usually I apply it on my T-zone and especially around my nose and all. But अभी I am having acne, तो I'm making sure कि मैं थोड़ा acne के side में भी पूरा जो primer को है वो spread कर रही हूँ. So I'm done with the primer, prep plus prime spray as well, just to be extra cautious and extra sure कि कुछ भी करके after makeup मुझे जो है कोई consequences face ना करने पड़े. I have done this as well, and I had such a bad hair day today, so मैंने अपने बालों को स्पेशली I had to braid it up because in this मौसम स्पेशली मानसून में बहुत ही गंदे बाल हो जाते हैं मेरे तो. So I tried this braid. I usually do not braid at all. Okay guys, so as I told you कि आज मैं बिल्कुल ही no makeup look type कर रही हूँ, so I would avoid using the other products. But since मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे एक्ने बम्स और इश्यूज़ हो रहे हैं, फॉर आई हैव टू हाइड देम, क्योंकि नो मेकअप लुक में इट्स जस्ट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. बेसिकली अपने बेस पे ही फोकस करते हैं. सो अगर बेस ही अच्छा नहीं होगा तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ. यू वोंट गो दैट मच ऑन कॉन्टोरिंग और ब्लश. आई वोंट डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो फॉर दैट आई एम यूजिंग ग्रीन कलर करेक्टर ओवर these bumps and marks just to hide them properly. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है मेकअप करते हैं. मैं ऑलमोस्ट 20-25 डेज बाद ही मेकअप अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. सो आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड doing all this, but I have no choice. So I usually use my fingers only for the color corrector part because fingers, आपकी जो fingers की natural warmth होती है उससे जो color corrector है वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से melt होके skin पे blend हो जाता है. So अगर आप कोई blush apply करें, brush use करेंगे तो आधा product जो है वो brush में ही घुस जाता है. So it's better कि इससे wastage भी ज़्यादा नहीं होती product की. So now I am done with this color correcting. So I am having major dark circles these days. So just to hide them, I'm using a dark shade concealer under my eyes. And like this with the fingers only. I'll take this around my lips as well, where I'm having darkness and little above. Make sure your beauty blender is damp and not dry. So you just take your beauty blender and dab your face all over. Now I am jumping on to the foundation, so I am applying my base here. Do not forget your neck and your area around your ears as well. Usually it's not possible to cover the length of the pimples with your base. So if you are having acne like this, मतलब obviously अगर आप पहले वीडियो का तुम स्टार्टिंग में देखेंगे I had major acne all over my face, तो वो तो बहुत better हो चुका है. But these bumps it is not that possible until unless बहुत ज़्यादा layers ना लगाए, which I am avoiding right now. So bump length जो है वो pimples की cover करना is quite difficult with makeup. So it's okay even if you are not able to cover that much. Don't be disheartened because usually हम photos और उसमें देखते हैं Instagram videos and all, keep them flawless visual, तो आधी editing होती है, trust me guys. So without editing anything, अगर आप बिल्कुल ही this is natural, so even if you're achieving this much, you're perfect. Now I am just highlighting my face with a concealer again, but I am not going too much into the step, like बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं कर रही मैं. With a very free hand I am doing just under my eyes only and nowhere else. A little bit on my bumps I'm having. तो जो है मैंने वो ब्रश से ही ब्लेंड कर दिया है, ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. On your eyes as well. So just take the beauty blender all over your face ताकि कुछ ज़्यादा अलग ना लगे and even base लगे. So now we won't bake our face or baking नहीं करेंगे face में, rather just to avoid creases on your face या foundation की lines ना पड़े. I'm just taking a brush and dabbing a loose powder. Any loose powder you have, just take that and just put that all over your face to set the base. Especially areas like under eye and we cannot forget our eyebrows at all. At least I cannot forget my eyebrows. So not making it very prominent. First just brush it up with the spoolie. Not being very particular or prominent about my eyebrows this time, since we do not have to show कि हमने makeup किया है, but what I'm doing is I am with a very light hand brush को बहुत पीछे से पकड़ के take a color in this brush. एंड आपकी जो वाटर लाइन है उस पर बहुत पतला, मतलब बिल्कुल वाटर लाइन से ही स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. जस्ट टेक दिस ब्रश एंड डू इट लाइक दिस. ओके, सो इट शुडंट लुक लाइक अ काजल. मतलब आप डिफरेंस देख रहे हैं दोनों आइज़ में, ये थोड़ी पॉप लग रही है, थोड़ी ब्राइटनिंग भी लग रही है. सो द होल पर्पज़ फॉर दिस इज़ just to create और smudgy, and इसी brush से just smudge it all over. जो एक हाथ से lift your eyes like this, and उसी don't take extra product नहीं लेना, उसी जो भी बचा हुआ product है उसको ही just take like this and just do like this. So you can see the difference in both the eyes. So now I have done the same on my other eye as well. Take the mascara and put this on your eyes, and make sure you're also doing this on your lower lashes as well. This lipstick, which is not that light dark, it's like kind of a medium color. I won't draw my lips with this, I will just dab it on my lips like this. Just take your fingers and tap your fingers, like tap this lipstick like this, and the extra lipstick will come on your fingers and you can remove it. And what I usually prefer is I take a light shade concealer and I put that all over my lips. Take any illuminator you have and take that on your fingers. You can also mix this with your foundation if you wish to. So that's it guys, this was my idea or my definition of a no makeup look. Very subtle and ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं, no rouge, like just a subtle base and glossy and very nude lips, just popped up eyes. This is my proper definition of a no makeup look. I hope you guys liked it too, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share this as much as possible, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, stay tuned for more such great videos and content. I hope you guys really liked it and enjoyed this video. Bye.